Yeah, I think getting societies to think differently about water is a challenge. Water is a priceless asset in the sense that it's invaluable. We can't live without it, but it's also kind of without price. We haven't figured out how to price water relative to the value of the water. So many of the decisions about reuse sit inside pricing. If I can get fresh water that's not been repurposed from the toilet at the same price I can get toilet repurposed water, I'm going to make a choice in that regard. Some of it's marketing. So again, in Singapore, they talk about purple pipes. So you got to think about how you position the capability. There's an awareness, and ultimately it's going to take real scarcity. If it's the only way to do things, then people will adopt. If you're thirsty enough, you'll certainly drink almost anything. I hopefully don't get to that place. But you also think differently about having two pipes into the home. So we have the single pipe into most homes in America that go both to your tap and to your toilet. So the simple answer would be reuse toilet water in the toilet, plenty good, and have potentially a different water coming in to your tap. So I think it takes creative positioning, a narrative. It's going to take urgency. It's going to take pricing solutions. And I think just thinking differently about how we manage those issues. I would say finally that if you look at Israel and Singapore, two countries that have really had to embrace water independence, their reuse rates are in the 90%. If you look at the US and the rest of the world, low teens into single digits. So a huge dichotomy, but we have two great examples in Singapore and Israel, what's possible with reusing water.